Now, imagine a friend of yours just finished high school and asks you to write a Java program to help him calculate the total average grade. The average grade is simply the total sum of grades divided by the number of subjects graded. However, your friend only knows 4 of his 5 subject grades so far. So, for now, the average can be calculated by adding all those grades for those 4 subjects divided by 4. Once you write the program that would calculate the average for those 4 subjects, it should be really easy to add this 5th subject into the average calculation. Let's start by declaring and initializing a variable for each subject. Notice that some grades are fractions, so to stay consistent, let's declare them all as doubles. Now, we need to calculate the sum of all these grades and store that in a variable. This variable should also be a double. Let's call it sum, and set it to equal to the sum of all those 4 grades. Then, finally, to calculate the average, we simply need to divide this sum by 4, and store the result into the variable average. Now, let's try to print this variable average and see what the result is. The output of such program would be 88.5. That sounds about right. Now, say your friend has finally got his grade for the missing 5th subject. I've written down all the details in a comment in the code next. Try to modify this program to calculate the new average of all 5 subjects. Remember to start by declaring a new variable for that 5th subject and then add it to the average calculation.